Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, stability control, traction control, backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.